Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a killer 1979 Camaro Z28. This car is a 350 4-speed air, loaded with options. Probably 3 build sheets on this car. Beautiful colors. It's got 51,000 original miles on this car. Here's one of the build sheets. You can see it's loaded. Buckets, instrument, roof molding, belt molding. Basically, they checked every box. Posi, power brakes, power steering, 4-speed, air conditioning, lamp group, everything. Just beautiful. Kind of cool to see a 4-speed with air, especially in this condition. Blue, deluxe interior, T-tops. Most of these cars came with vinyl. This has a beautiful cloth interior, AM/FM radio, and just fantastic. And T-tops. Looks so nice with this deluxe interior too. Sitting on the rally wheels. These tires are original as well. Very comfortable with the cloth seats. Most of them had vinyl. Not a huge fan of. 51,158 miles, just about to turn. Man, only original once. That is it. Rear defroster. Beautiful. Gorgeous dash. Air works too. I'm just gonna start for a second. Runs fantastic. Doors only shut like that when they're original. I'm just gonna pause you. There she is, original 350. Power steering, power brakes, air. It's got a new battery in it. So pretty. And even the original shielding around the exhaust manifolds. Pretty neat. Chalk mark on the manifold. It's pretty cool. And original alternator. I just don't see it like this. Listing this 79 WS6 too. That's also original. I think that car has very low miles. It's I think 18,000 miles. And then I'm listing this here as well. It's a 70 TA California car. Loaded. This thing's got 4-speed and air conditioning. Ram Air 400. Make a package deal, red, white, and blue for you guys. So give me a call, 631-339-0399. I took about 200 and change photos today of all 3 cars on the website. So WeBeAutos.com. Thanks a lot.